Hello all, welcome to my Excel room, myself Sauvik, and today we will talk about IFS function which is right now available in Excel 365 or 2019. In day out jobs, everywhere if function is used as conditional function, but if we have multiple condition just like this, then we need to use nested ifs. That means if the condition is true, then some outcome, else if some other condition is true, then some outcome, else if some other condition is true. In this way we need to write, and at the end of the function the else condition. In this way, when multiple conditions are there, then our nested if is very big. To get rid of this nested if, Office 365 or 2019, Excel 2019 has come up with a function called IFS, which simplified the way of writing the syntax to do the same task. I will also give you some brownie, that is the benefit of using IFS, and also a hands-on assignment which you can do and comment in the comment box. But for that, you need to watch the entire video. Yes, you can increase the speed and watch it. Now let us see this with illustrative example, and let's go to the lab now. So here we will talk about this example where age is between 10 and 20, we will call them teenagers. Where age is between 20 and 35, we will call them youth. Where age is between 35 to 50, we will call them middle-aged. More than 50 and less than 60, we will call them senior persons. More than 60, we will call them retired. Else, we will call them not applicable. That means in the else condition, the age is less than equal to 10. So now we have already seen that if we need to do a nested if, then how nested it is, right? Now how big it is. And sometimes with respect to the parenthesis, error comes and it takes our time. That's the real practical problem. So sometimes conditions are not true. And also at the end of this video, I will give you some brownie, like what is actual benefit of IFS, using IFS function. For that, you need to watch the video till the end. So now let's say go to the example and apply IFS function. So this is IFS function, and it can have multiple conditions and their outcomes. So this construct, what you can see now, this construct is building one block. So this is the condition that age is in between 10 and 20, then it is teenagers. See, if you see this, logical test 1, and then if true, the value is this, value if true. Then another logic is there. This AND function is just to give the condition greater than 20 and less than 30. That is the AND function is used. So this is another block where logical test 2 is this. If the age is between 20 to might be 35, for example, let's say use it 35, and then it is youth. And now if this is 35 to 50, then middle age. In this way, we don't need to give multiple else if. In one parenthesis it is done. So this is how your IFS function is built. So we are doing a logical test, the condition here, the value here, condition again, the second condition here, value here. Now the question is, okay, fine, this is good. Now what if the brownie that I have given, see, there is a NA comes, right? Now this NA will work as a validation, as well as, because we have said if else condition, it is not applicable, but we have not used that anywhere, right? So if the data has some value which does not satisfy any of the conditions given in the IFS function, then that will give NA. So this is the way we can actually figure out whether we have missed any condition in the function. This is saying that we have not given any condition which caters to age 9, because you can see 10 to 60 and above 60 we have given, right? But no conditions we have given to tackle less than equal to 10. Now if we are giving another condition less than equal to 10 and then not applicable, that is fine. Otherwise, if we want to use it in the else condition, like if else condition means if this is not true, what to be true. So if the age is not in between 10 and 60 or more than 60, that means if the age is not more than 10, then it must be less than equal to 10, right? Here we will use the condition true, and then we will say if else condition is true. So this is the else condition, right? Else condition is true, then we will say not applicable. Any value we can give, right? Then you can see. So if I am changing any, let's say 5, it will be a not applicable. So benefit of using IFS is you don't need to write lot of nested ifs. Lot of nested ifs is coming with lot of function within the function, and that is the reason often we miss some parentheses or miss some order, miss some conditions, and it takes time to debug where is the error. And in IFS, it's simple. You give the logic 1 value if the logic 1 is true, then logic 2, and these all are comma separated within the same parenthesis, and also it will give you error, or that give you that error not applicable, that hash not applicable error if you miss any condition your data has, like we have seen for people with age less than equal to 10, we have seen that. And in order to tackle that, either we need to put some condition or we can use it in the else condition. We are using a true keyword, true thing. If the else is true, true keyword, and then giving the if else is true, then what to happen, like we are writing not applicable. Now you can try with if error as well. You can use if error to get the outcome if the else condition is true. Please comment in that what would be your function with if error. I will look that and get back to you, of course. Thank you. Bye bye for today.